Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use macro camera mode on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera app. Now once you are in the camera app, what you guys want to do is simply put your phone close to an object that's small, and it will basically allow us to use the macro. So let me put this logo right here, and now let me just take a picture. As you guys can see, this is how it looks like. So we got it pretty much detailed. It looks amazing, and we can see some black things, so that's how we know the detail is here. It's not dirty, but also it's just black, so that's what we can see here. I only see white, so this camera definitely works great. We can see all the imperfections, and that's how you guys can use the macro mode. So macro camera mode basically will allow you to take some up close shots, and it will try and get the simply get all of the sharpness out of that picture. So that's how you guys can take a macro photo, and that's how you guys can use the macro camera mode. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.